Hi friends, in this video let us see a review of Jinhao 75 converter type fountain pen. The body is really good and it is having a red color trim in the cap section, and the clip as well as the top side pin is also in black color. It is in glossy color. The look is very nice. It is rigid also. Hope you can see the pen very clearly. The nib looks very attractive. This is a fine nib and it is a black coated nib. It is plated. Instead of coated, we need to tell plated nib. It is like lamy plating. It is a black nib. And let us see how we can fill the ink this pen. So the cartridge is really good because it is having a small silver ring in the top, so that the converter will not get damaged easily. The ring will hold the hole together, so we will have a good life with this converter. And while inserting the converter itself, we can feel the difference. If it is only plastic, and it will easily go, but if since it is having a ring, we can feel a slight shake when we press. So let us write with this pen. I am using I am dipping with the Brill ink. Though it is written as fine nib, I could see this is in between fine and medium nib. Jinhao 75 fountain pen now. Type, it is having a fine nib. I cannot say this is medium, but this is not fine. So the nib is really good. We are getting a very smooth writing by just by dipping itself. So it is worth buying this pen because of its unique nib design and smoother writing. If you want to change the nib, please use such blocks. I will show you how to change the nib. You remove the converter and place it in the block. This area should seat in the block, or else the feeder will get damaged, and we need to take a tool like this so that it goes inside the hole of the grip and it touches the feeder, and we need to tap this one. So this is the method. Tap gently. This is the method you can see in our earlier videos. So by this way we can remove the feeder and nib from this grip area. So the section doesn't have any serration. So but since this is a matte finish pen, you will not feel the grip will be good. The slippage will not happen. It is having a matte finish. If it is a glossy one or a polished one, definitely you will be getting a slippage kind of feeling. Since it is having a matte finish, you will not feel that one. This is really good for holding. For students, definitely we will suggest. For writers and professional also, they can use this pen for signing and all. But if you use for writing, definitely this pen will be good. If you have any queries you can leave in the comment section so that we can answer you. This is number 5.5 nib. We have many variants in Canrite and as well as Jinhao. In many brands we have flexible nibs and stub nibs and architect nibs in the same type of nib, same number of nib. So you can try with other nibs also, so there is more flexibility. Thanks for watching this video, friends.